Hey everyone, it is Fun Fact Friday and I'm here to talk about lavender and the Vitality line. So this is what it looks like. This is the Vitality line that was developed by Young Living to help us understand and know how to use in our dietary world. So it will tell us in this label how to consume it as a dietary supplement. And then you can add it to so many dishes and drinks to really enhance the flavor. So Lavender Vitality is very sweet. It has a slightly floral flavor. It can complement and enhance so many dishes, okay? And I don't know if you knew this, but lavender is actually part of the mint family. That is crazy, right? So you can take lavender in capsules, like I was saying, and I would say add 1 to 2 drops. And you really want to go slow when you start to consume essential oils, especially Young Living essential oils, because of the pure nature of it. But what would you take lavender in a capsule form for? Well, it can help improve quality of occasional sleeplessness. It can help support overall general wellness. It can help it contains different properties that can help cleanse, and it can definitely help ease occasional nervous tension. Now, I am making sure that I say that this has not been evaluated by the FDA, and of course, always consult a physician before you change any routine like that involves your healthcare. But how can you add this into dishes, and what would you add it to? Well, let me tell you, you can keep it very simple and you can add it to a citrus sorbet. You can make it your own, but you can add just 1 drop. But they even say just to dip a toothpick in the bottle and add it to your food because of how potent and strong these are. You don't want to overpower your food. So you could start with the toothpick and see if that adds enough flavor for what you want. And if not, then you can add a drop, or you can dip again the toothpick in and stir it around until you get the flavor that you desire. You can add it to different herbs such as thyme, oregano, rosemary, and help enhance that flavor of those what am I looking for? Spices. Then you can also add it to different dairy things such as whipped cream or pound cakes. It is very good and savory in desserts. And then I'm gonna have a great recipe for you on Memorial Day to show you an awesome drink that you can make using lavender, okay? And I don't know if you can tell up here, this is some of my Vitality line. So you can see that it's more than just one simple oil. You can incorporate Vitality oils into your cooking and your everyday life. It is so simple and it's always worth giving it a try. So I hope you have a great weekend and I will see you back Monday. Bye.